about the Orisha Òṣùpá of reflection, cycles, and intuition. Orisha Òṣùpá, the divine goddess of the moon, embodies femininity, intuition, mystery, and the cycles of life. As a celestial guide, Òṣùpá embodies light and darkness, serving as a symbol of spiritual insight and emotional clarity. She is the Orisha of lunar energy, influencing emotions, dreams, fertility, and the deep waters of the subconscious. As the silent watcher of the night, Òṣùpá represents the hidden wisdom that is revealed through patience, the gentle but powerful force that controls tides and rhythms, and the guiding light in times of uncertainty. She governs the phases of existence, from birth to maturity to renewal, mirroring the waxing and waning of the moon. Her presence in the 16 Odu reveals her role as the guardian of sacred cycles, the revealer of hidden truths, and the one who teaches that intuition is as valuable as knowledge, and that wisdom is found in the depths of silence and reflection. Òṣùpá's influence across the 16 Odu highlights themes of introspection, renewal, and the importance of embracing life's transitions. In Ejiogbe, Òṣùpá manifests as the divine force of inner clarity and feminine wisdom, illuminating the path for those who seek knowledge beyond the physical world. She teaches that patience and introspection lead to enlightenment, just as the moon gradually reveals itself in phases. In Oyekumeji, she governs the realm of the subconscious and the mysteries of the night, revealing that dreams and visions are powerful messages from the spiritual world. Here, she teaches that understanding one's inner world is key to navigating the outer world. Orimeji highlights her role as the goddess of divine timing, ensuring that everything follows a sacred rhythm. She teaches that those who align with natural cycles will always move in harmony with the universe. In Odumeji, Òṣùpá governs secrecy, protection, and introspection, showing that not all knowledge should be revealed at once. She teaches that wisdom unfolds gradually, just as the moon waxes and wanes. Orosun-meiji reveals her connection to prophecy and feminine intuition, showing that those who listen to their inner voice will always receive divine guidance. Here, she reminds us that those who ignore the whispers of the spirit will struggle to find direction. Onrin-meiji portrays her as the guardian of transformation, ensuring that all things move through necessary cycles of change and renewal. She warns that resisting natural evolution leads to stagnation. In Obara-meiji, Òṣùpá appears as the bringer of emotional and spiritual wealth, ensuring that those who embrace her wisdom will be blessed with prosperity in all aspects of life. She teaches that abundance is not only material, it is also found in intuition, love, and spiritual connection. Okanran-meiji presents her as the keeper of sacred mysteries, revealing that everything has its time and place. She teaches that those who rush fate will only find hardship. Ogunda-meiji highlights her protective and fierce aspect, showing that the moon is both nurturing and powerful. She teaches that just as the tides are controlled by the moon, emotions must be understood and mastered. In Osa-meiji, she governs the unveiling of secrets, showing that hidden truths will always come to light. She teaches that deception cannot last forever, just as no shadow can resist the full moon. Ika-meiji emphasizes her role as the goddess of healing and emotional balance, revealing that lunar energy helps to cleanse and renew both the mind and the spirit. She teaches that past wounds must be acknowledged and released for true healing to occur. Uturupon-meiji portrays her as the mistress of cycles, ensuring that those who respect divine timing will always be in flow with destiny. She teaches that patience and trust in the universe lead to fulfillment. In Otorameji, Òṣùpá governs the balance between darkness and light, reminding us that both are necessary for growth. She teaches that wisdom comes from embracing both joy and sorrow, just as the full moon and the new moon each hold their own power. Iretameji reveals her as the protector of sacred feminine rituals, ensuring that moonlit ceremonies and spiritual practices align with divine energy. Ose-meji connects her to spiritual purification, showing that the moon's cycles provide the perfect time for cleansing, renewal, and meditation. Finally, in Ofunmeji, Òṣùpá represents the highest understanding of divine cycles, where past, present, and future merge into one eternal rhythm. She teaches that those who respect nature's timing will find peace, knowing that every phase, whether bright or dark, serves a sacred purpose. Across all 16 Odumeji, Òṣùpá teaches that intuition, patience, and alignment with the cycles of the universe are the keys to wisdom and emotional balance. Her lesson is clear. Those who trust in divine timing, who seek knowledge in both light and darkness, and who embrace their inner power with grace, will always find clarity, peace, and spiritual fulfillment. The awakening of inner visions in Odu Ogbemeji. Òṣùpá's role in Ogbemeji is to awaken the inner vision of seekers, showing them that clarity comes through patience and alignment with divine timing. She reminds us that light always follows darkness, and those who cultivate self-awareness and trust their intuition will navigate life with confidence and grace. This Odu encourages the querent to embrace their inner light and allow their destiny to unfold naturally, without fear or resistance. The Guardian of Cycles in Odu Oyekumeji. In Owakumeji, Òṣùpá governs the natural cycles of birth, death, and renewal. Myths recount rituals performed under the moon to honor ancestors and invoke blessings. This Odu emphasizes the necessity of honoring life's rhythms and finding peace in transitions. The Illuminator of Hidden Truths in Odu Iworimeji. In Odu Iworimeji, Òṣùpá reveals truths that are obscured by fear or ignorance. Myths tell of Òṣùpá shining light on secrets that needed to be addressed, fostering healing and resolution. This Odu encourages the querent to seek clarity through introspection and honesty. About the protector of emotional stability in Odu Odimeji. In Odu Odimeji, Òṣùpá provides emotional balance and grounding. Myths describe the moon's steady presence as a source of comfort during turbulent times. This Odu highlights the importance of staying centered and calm, even amidst uncertainty. About the guide to ancestral connection in O Irosunmeji. In Odu Irosunmeji, Òṣùpá serves as a bridge to the ancestral realm. Myths recount rituals performed under moonlight to communicate with ancestors and seek their guidance. This Odu advises the querent to honor their lineage and draw strength from their roots. About the flow of intuition in Odu Owanrinmeji. In Odu Owanrinmeji, Òṣùpá enhances the flow of intuition, guiding the querent toward wise decisions. Myths describe Òṣùpá as a celestial guide who helped a lost traveler find their way home. This Odu teaches that intuition is a powerful tool for navigating life's challenges. Strength through reflection in Odu Obarameji. In Odu Obarameji, Òṣùpá emphasizes the importance of reflection in building resilience. Myths tell of individuals who gain strength by contemplating their actions under the moon's light. This Odu encourages the querent to use introspection as a source of empowerment. The Arbiter of Emotional Justice in Okanranmeji. In Odu Okanranmeji, Òṣùpá restores emotional balance and justice. Myths recount Òṣùpá illuminating the truth in a dispute, allowing fairness to prevail. This Odu advises the querent to seek transparency and fairness in their relationships. The Clearer of Spiritual Pathways in Odu Ogundameji. In Odu Ogundameji, Òṣùpá clears the way for spiritual growth and enlightenment. Myths describe the moonlight revealing hidden dangers and guiding travelers to safety. This Odu emphasizes the importance of clarity and foresight in overcoming obstacles. The Corrector of Imbalances in Odu Osameji. In Odu Osameji, Òṣùpá corrects spiritual and emotional imbalances by encouraging self-awareness. Myths tell of Òṣùpá helping a struggling community find harmony through collective reflection. This Odu highlights the necessity of introspection in restoring equilibrium. revealer of hidden potential in Odu Ifá. In Odu Ifá, Òṣùpá reveals untapped potential and suppressed emotions. Myths tell of the moonlight inspiring an artist to create their greatest work, symbolizing the power of illumination. This Odu advises the querent to explore their depths and embrace their creativity. The reconciler of conflicts in Odu Ifá. In Odu Ifá, Òṣùpá reconciles conflicts by promoting understanding and empathy. Myths describe the moon's calming influence, resolving disputes and fostering unity. This Odu emphasizes the importance of compassion and communication. The Guide to Renewal in Odu Ifá Òtúràméjì. In Odu Ifá Òtúràméjì, Òṣùpá inspires renewal and the courage to embrace change. Myths recount individuals finding solace and inspiration under the moon after experiencing loss. This Odu encourages the querent to trust in the cyclical nature of life and the promise of new beginnings. An advocate for legacy preservation in Odu Ifá. In Odu Ifá, Òṣùpá emphasizes the importance of preserving one's legacy through mindful actions. Myths tell of moonlight rituals that ensured the continuity of family traditions. This Odu teaches the querent to honor their responsibilities to future generations. The harmonizer of energies in Odu Ifá. In Odu Ifá, Òṣùpá harmonizes the energies of the spiritual and material realms. Myths recount rituals conducted under the full moon to align personal goals with divine will. This Odu teaches the querent to seek balance in their pursuits. The eternal source of light in Odu Ifá. In Odu Ifá, Òṣùpá represents the eternal source of light and guidance in times of darkness. Myths describe the moon's consistent presence as a reminder of divine support. This Odu encourages the querent to trust in divine guidance and maintain hope.